What's happening, Crypto Crew? This is Kal-El Can Fly with my wife, Emily.
Hello.
And we're about to get into episode 6 of Chainsaw Man.
Yeah.
So, the way they left the last episode, we've got the gun devil that they're trying to hunt down.
Right.
I
think.
They're
Yes.
stuck on the 8th floor.
Yes, they're doing the loop-de-loop.
Yeah. And there's a bunch of them now. There's like a
Yeah,
bunch
there's
of different
quite a
characters.
few of them. Yeah, the characters.
So that's going to be interesting.
Yeah.
You know, Denji hasn't had a very social life.
No.
You know,
it's shuttered.
Yeah, it was just him and Pochita for a long time.
Yeah.
So you can kind of tell that with his relationship with Power and how they're always bickering.
Yeah.
So I think it's going to be interesting to see how he does with these other people.
Right. Yeah. True.
So
yeah.
The only person he really wants to get along with is Makima.
Yes. The main girl.
Yeah, so he definitely seems like he's in love with her.
And he was holding out there for a hot minute, wasn't he? Or on a kiss or something?
Yeah, so the chick with one eye said she would kiss him with tongue.
Right, if he'd kill
that got him moving though.
It did.
He was like
ready.
He was all about that.
He was all about that kissing and tongue.
Yeah. So I don't know. His I guess his dreams have evolved beyond just feeling a boob.
Right, exactly.
So that's also interesting.
Right.
But is he going to get to sleep with Makima by the end of the season?
Oh.
If he gets rid of the gun devil.
Yeah.
I think the gun devil's going to be the big arc for the rest of the season.
Yeah.
I have a feeling. We've seen him take out some, fiends and other demons and whatnot.
The bat demon.
Yeah, so now I think we're getting into the point where we're going to start to see like a longer storyline now that we've been introduced.
Right.
So,
I agree.
But that's just my theory. I have no idea. But anyway, you ready to watch this?
I'm so ready.
All right, let's do it. Please do smash a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate that. All right, here we go.
Here we go.
Make a double peace sign and stay put.
Oh, no way. That is crazy. Yeah, what's going on here?
This hotel's gonna be like a maze.
Yeah, they're all gonna get lost. Trapped on the 8th floor.
Alright.
Wow.
They're gonna have to figure out this puzzle.
Yeah.
I'll find the demon that's causing it.
And like you said, the demon could be the motel.
Yeah, I did say that, didn't I?
So.
こんなトリッキーなことしてくる悪魔、初めてだね。
でも、俺たちがここからずっと帰ってこなかったら、他のデビルハンターが助けに来てくれるんじゃ。
そのデビルハンターが私たちみたいにはめられないことを祈るしかないね。
True. If other people show up and can't get out.
お腹ペコ。いいんだろ。半分無理やりなんです。優秀な兄だけは大学に行かせたいからって私に働かせたんです。風俗かデビルハンターしか選択肢なかったんです。私も大学に行きたかったんです。でもここで死んじゃうんです。
Poor girl.
What the heck? Why is she laughing?
Devils love fear.
じゃあここで永遠に閉じ込められるかもしれないんだぞ。
そうなるかもしれねえし、ならねえかもしれねえだろ。分かったら起こして。
When you figure it out.
寝なきゃ損だ。
It's freaking sweet.
俺は悪魔に感謝して眠るぜ。
I owe the devil for this nap. He's out.
I can go to sleep fast like that.
Yeah, you can.
ネット。
Not me.
食べ物は宿泊客が逃げるとき置いていった荷物に少しだけあった。
Alright,
正
so
直
found
さ、
food.
みんな参ってきてるんだよ。
Everyone's worn
Oh,
out. They should have all
yeah.
taken a nap.
少しは休んだらって言っても聞いてくれない。新井君も最初こそアキ君を手伝ってたんだけど、今は状況に怖がって部屋に閉じこもってる。小紅ちゃんはおかしくなってトイレの水を飲もうとしたから気絶させた。それで
She got him hooked on cigarettes.
アキ君は吸わないの？
骨が腐るから吸わない。
付き合いがあるから吸えた方がいいよ。
誰とも慣れ合う気はない。
なんで公安来たのか当ててあげる。銃の悪魔を殺すためでしょ。公安に来る暗めの人は全員そうだから。公安だけが銃野郎の肉片持つこと許されてるもんね。
Yeah,
デビル
I
ハンター
mean,
なんて短命なんだから吸っちゃえばいいのに。
俺は簡単には死なない。
he was warning Denji too
バ
about
ディが死ぬのは面
like
倒だからさ。
joining public safety in the beginning. Maybe he knows people die if they're not fully committed.
Right.
Like he said.
あれは前のバディの彼女さ。死んだバディの遺族とかとトラブルになるのはよくあること。悪魔に仕返しできる力がないから私に当たるの。いや、師匠が言ってたな。悪魔が恐れるデビルハンターは強いやつでも勇敢なやつでもないって。頭のネジがぶっ飛んでるやつだって。
They fear devil hunters that have a screw
長
loose.
生きできそう。
Denji's
Yeah.
definitely that way.
Yeah.
杏仁豆腐いらないならもらうぞ。
一本あげる。
Ooh, wonder if they're gonna fall in love.
Maybe.
一本だけ吸ってやる。一生で吸うタバコはこの一本だけだ。
There's so much for that.
姫野先輩、タバコ残ってます。
残念。これ最後の一本。
じゃあ、それくださいよ。
しょうがないな。
キスだ。ずるい。関節キスだ。
Hey!
あれ
Oh!
Uh-oh. Oh, shit.
確かにわしが殺したはずじゃ。ホテルから出られない。見たこともない形状。こりゃ何の悪魔だ。
Supposed to be swallowed all the people and just turning them out.
喋った。契約だと。
Oh! Oh!
They're scared of Denji.
Oh!
Oh shit! Knocked her out!
Hey!
She's going insane.
Crazy!
Poor girl though. Forced into that life and she's dead stupid.
コン、
じゃあ私のゴーストでやるか。
Yeah, the ghost. Oh! Oh!
It's getting bigger!
でかくなった。
Every time you hit?
Yeah, it's bigger.
Oh! You're inside of my stomach!
Is the eighth floor?
姫野先輩、そいつは殺すべきです。 一度そいつを
they're
殺
all
して
gonna
外に出
turn
た
on
後に対策を練れ
him.
ばいい。このままじゃみんなホテルで餓死ですよ。デビルハンターが悪魔と契約することは法律でも認められている。
God.
その悪魔の契約を受けるべきです。
悪魔はデンジを殺したがっている。デンジの死が悪魔側の利益になるんだ。
Yeah.
Yeah.
だから
It's
契約は受け
afraid.
ない。
じゃあ私も
そんな。
わしは殺す派じゃ。
Yeah.
ノーベル時は悪いけどデンジ君が死んで
Mhm.
ないベッドに置いておいた食料が
Oh shit.
全部ない。
Oh,
That's gotta
somebody
be
ate
power.
it.
Power? Betcha.
Probably. Yep.
Yeah. I knew it.
貴様が全部食べたのか。
わしじゃないデンジが食べておったわ。
すんげえ
Jesus.
嘘。
分かっちゃった
Gee.
私分かっちゃ
She's
った
trying to pin everything on him.
その魔人の力で8階から出られないんだ
He's liking that.
姫
先輩。
What the hell?
There's a screaming maybe? And noises? Oh, run!
I wonder if power has something to do with this. Power essentially killed that one demon, right?
Yeah.
That one devil. I wonder if there's some kind of connection now. Oh! The Eternity Devil.
Of course, no team.
Jump in.
刀を使う。
いいですよね。姫野先輩。姫野先輩。
おいあんた何してんだ。
その刀を使えば外には出られるだろうけど使うと契約でアキ君の寿命がかなり減るの。アキ君はまだやらなきゃいけないことがたくさんあるんだ。だからご
Oh.
めんねデンジ君。
The turnaround. Uh-oh. Yeah, like she's laughing like they are.
Oh!
Oh,
Oh!
shit!
はあ。しかにそいつは刺されても仕方のない胸くその悪い野郎だが銃の悪魔を殺そうとしている。俺一人じ
Oh,
ゃ銃の悪魔を殺
he
せない
needs
ん
his
だ。
help.
奴を殺すには立ち向かう気概のあるデビルハンターが
That's
一人で
true.
も多く欲しい。
He will go fight it.
俺
アキ君どうしよう私のせいじゃない
That is your fault, little bitch. Hi, baby.
あなたが
She is.
食べられてたら
Psycho.
なのに
Shut her up.
ああはいはいじゃあ食われてやら
I guess it's snack time.
ああよかった
でも俺も抵抗すっからよ。もし俺が悪魔をぶっ殺すようなことがあったらまだ忘れてねえからな。
勝算段があるのか。
クソ痛えけどチェーンソーになる。
チェーンソー
あの悪魔なんだか知らねえが俺のチェーンソーにビビってる。
Yeah, it is scared of his
だから
chainsaw.
自分じゃ手出せなくててめえらに俺を殺すよう言ってんだ。
Jump inside and turn into
それに
Chainsaw Man.
Yeah.
攻
Cut
撃
him all
を
up.
受けた時に痛いって言ってやがった。だったらよあいつが死にたくなるまで痛めつけて自殺させりゃいい。
悪魔みたいな発想じゃな。
Hmm? I'm gonna fuck it up so bad it's gonna wanna die.
Yeah.
余計なことすんじゃねえよクソが。
Nobody
俺
asked
は
you
誰
that.
かに借りつくんのもううんざりなんだよ。外出れたら貸し借りなしだからな。
Oh yeah. There we
Let's go.
Yeah. Rip him up.
Woo! That is cool.
Yes.
The hell? Oh! Shit. Damn it.
Hate that.
I know. Well, what did you think of that
That's
episode?
crazy.
It was crazy.
Yeah.
That young girl is scared beyond belief.
Yeah.
That's why she's acting that way. She
They
is
need
just.
to take her back and drop her off, or I don't know what to do with her, but she's causing too many issues and
She's
problems.
not. Yeah, she's not a devil hunter.
No, she's not.
She's
She's all
way
about
too-
herself and
way
herself
too scared.
only. Her way only.
Well, I mean, she
type
was
thing.
kind of sold into this work to
Right.
pay for her siblings'
College.
college.
fund,
I think her
brother's
brother's college. Yeah. Definitely not what she wanted to
It
do.
was either that or sex trafficking.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's crazy.
That is crazy.
I don't know which one's worse.
Right?
Like, both would be pretty scary.
Yeah.
But
Very scary.
wow. Yeah, it was good. And Denji always steps up though.
Yeah, he does.
Like, it's always interesting. Like
he knew when he said it's time for him to eat.
Yeah.
He's getting too hungry right now.
Yeah.
So he needs to do what he has to do.
Yeah.
Get rid of this demon.
Right.
Hopefully he jumped inside and
We keep calling
Cut
them
him up.
demons. I guess devils. They're
Devils.
technically devils. Yeah.
they're devils. Sorry.
I don't know why. I did the same thing earlier.
Yeah.
But we keep calling them demons.
Alright, they're devils.
I guess coming from Demon Slayer.
Yeah, because we
demons.
bounced straight from there to
Right,
here,
I think
kinda,
that
like,
was-
boom, boom, and
So forgive us if we do.
sorry.
You know, I know there is a distinction
Yes.
between the two shows.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's a great show so far,
Mhm.
and I'm enjoying like the like the element of magic / devil powers. Everybody is different. They're all so different. We've seen, the sea cucumber devil. We've seen obviously the chainsaw devil,
Bat.
the bat devil, and they've discussed so many. Obviously, the blood devil
Mhm.
in power. So there's
Mhm.
going to be so many more. I think very unique
Right.
devils, and then beyond that, we've got the fiends, right? So
Right.
those are the devils that take over a human body,
Mhm. Right. That's
and
crazy.
that's pretty crazy. I think we'll see more of those as we go
As
as
we
well.
go on.
Yeah.
Right.
I thought Demon Slayer did a great job with a lot of those demons and the way that they looked and kind of the backstory on those as well. But this show, I think the villains or the bad guys are very unique,
Yeah.
and I like that.
Mhm.
I think it's pretty awesome.
Yeah, I agree.
So.
Yeah.
But anyway, let us know how you guys liked this episode in the comments down below. Please do smash a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. We would really appreciate that. And we'll catch you later.
Crypto Crew.